Hi everyone, welcome to Gigi's Creation. If you are new here, welcome and thank you very much for dropping by. And if you are returnees, welcome back and thank you once again for joining me. And today's video is in collaboration with my friend Fabi from Creations by Fabi and co-hosted by a beautiful Antoinette from Simple Yet Chic. I will write down their link on my description box and please go and check them because they do beautiful DIYs. With that said, let's go crafting. So today I decided to make this tray. Once again, we are going to recycle this empty box of chocolate, uh, wooden chopstick from takeaway, and this twine from the mop, and scissors, and of course our favorite glue gun. Okay, so what we're going to do is we have to cut this chopstick into two or half. Okay, I don't have a proper tools. I just use scissor, but I managed to do it, guys. It's just matter of patience. Okay, so I just have to cut them into half. This chopstick, and we have to stick it into this chocolate box because we are going to do some waving, and we are going to use this twine from mop. Since I couldn't buy any twine here, I don't know where to find them. So I just used those cleaning mop. But they're new, of course. Right? So we have to stick this around the square or this box. And then we are going to stick this twine using glue gun. We have to just stick it around until we fill up the whole box. You will see, as you can see, as we go along. Okay. Just keep on gluing around the box until you fill up the red box. It's almost done. And now we have to start weaving by just weaving it around the stick. As you can see, guys, it's very easy. So just keep on doing it until it fill up the whole sticks around this box of chocolate. As you can see, we'll just keep on doing it. Just keep you know the way how I wave it. I go straight and then loop around the stick and then go for the, as you can see, it is my first time to do this kind of waving through the stick. Actually, this is easier than the other one that I have to do in out in out. This one is just loop around the stick, and plus the fact it's easier because it doesn't have to scatter everywhere. It's a mess the twine if I have to do it, the waving of the twine. And now we have to put some bedding inside so that it looks neater or cleaner. And we can use this as a tray for our food or bread, or we can use it in the bathroom, putting all the towels. I think I'm gonna use this into the bathroom and put some of my towels, newly washed towels, just in case you want to use the new towel. I just have to put them here. And I just try to make it as neat as I could. And I put a bit of cardboard box inside because it's a bit soft, the box. So I have to make it more sturdy by using more cardboard because I would like to put kind of heavy stuff inside. to make it safe. It doesn't give up. And now it's done. And I try to decorate it by using a braided twine or thread, the one that I've used to wave the whole, to cover the whole box. I braided few of those, and now I use it to decorate outside at the end of this cloth or the bedding. So I use four of these in all side to make it even and nice and neat, and it's all done. That's it. So as you can see, this is the outcome, guys. It's quite pleasing again with this project or this DIY. I'm quite pleased, though it's not perfect, but I'm pleased with the outcome. As you can see, I can use this as actually as a tray. So our next project is this organizer. So we're going to use all this empty container from my washing detergent, and of course twine and my glue gun. What I did is I cut all this twine into the height or based onto the height of this container, and now I'm sticking them on the edge of the bottom part of this container. As you can see, we just have to stick it all around this bottom part, bottom edge of this container. Okay, as you can see, this project is well, of course, all the project or all the DIYs that I do are very nice and simple because again, I would like to encourage people to recycle their trash. And that's the reason why I try to make it as simple as it could, so that people could actually be inspired at least to recycle their rubbish. As you can see, guys, we are almost done with sticking all this twine. It's easy to make this project. However, I struggle a bit, not because it's difficult. It's just, when you are doing the weaving for so long, and with the fact that, the twine are in a mess because it's so many of it and it's not really hard, it's soft. So once you start weaving for quite some time, as you can see later on, I'm start feeling dizzy, or my brain and my eyes start getting tired. So now we're doing in and out. I used to in out, as you can see what I'm doing. But when I start doing it, when I got into halfway, I start feeling dizzy. So I have a bit of a struggle, but overall it's accomplishment. Though it was not perfect, but it's very how do you call that? Like fulfilling after you finish it. It's rewarding. You see, I got stuck in this, and also I try to hide where I glued this white twine, is because I try to make it neat. However, sometimes when you try to make it too nice, it come out to be, a struggle. Or, well, it was quite pretty actually. I don't know. I just like the combination of white and brown and the way it came out. But anyway, as you can see, I'm trying to do in and out, in and out. It's very easy. But once you messed up with one, um, how do you call that, step, it ruined the whole view of this um, waving or this because I'm trying to create that kind of like a square kind of looks after a while. And again, one of the so that's the reason why at the end all the edges, if you all the side, I mean all the side of this container, I try to make it even, because again, where I glow when I start, where I started the white bit, this twine is one of the side. So anyway, I I messed up with this part, so I'm trying to figure out where the where did I miss or what did I do wrong. See, it's very easy because it's just in and out if you think about it. But once you miss a step of, instead of going in, you become out and two, and I just have to undo it again because the pattern is become different once you miss a step. And I'm almost done, guys. Hang in there. As you can see, it's coming out. You can see now that the look, what I'm trying to make. See, it's almost there. It's really almost there. Again, if you look at it, right, on the inside of this container, there's a big, how do you call that? It's not equal to this, all the things in front. But anyway, I make it even so that it's balanced. So now I'm trying to stick all the edge in the inside to make it more neat. I'm not gonna put any bedding on this because I'm just gonna put some kind of hard stuff like bottles or shampoos or whatever I decide to make. As you can see, guys, it's quite nice. It's very rewarding, to be honest, even though I struggle. So I decided for my bathroom with my stuff, and I use it as a tray for my wine glass, and of course a candle to relax while I'm having my bath. Anyway, thank you very much, guys, for your support, and I hope you like my project. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. And